Go get mine.
What year did you get back? 2 years ago. Because we are lucky 2 years. And then bridal, she was second year high school in the Philippines when she arrived there. She start year 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh,
4 years.
oh, see, nag-additional pa siya.
Before she graduated high school.
Yun yung problema. So, hindi nila nakikita yun. Hindi nila nakikita yun.
Loko-loko talaga yan. Yan. That's
Diba? Diba? Yan ang punto ko. Hindi nila nakikita sa Pilipinas. Eh, siyempre, yung mga nagpupolitika, may mga pera yan eh. Kung mga politiko sa atin, eh, ipapadala lang
Ganda ng dress
saan ba
mo.
nag-aaral anak nila?
super soft.
Diba? Yung mga anak nila nasa abroad
Para sa
nag-aaral.
suit sa
tayong
time sa
mga
climate ba
maliliit.
kay arang magkainit na ni. So need ka
Maganda.
softer nga. So yun ang ano sa ano ni
Kulang
sila.
tayo ng 2 taon. So kung ibabalik nila ulit sa until 4th year, wala na. Balik na naman sa dati. Punta ka ng ibang, kaya mga nurses,
Yeah.
yung mga doktor sa atin, nurse lang sa ibang bansa.
Hindi nga we have I mean
Kasi kulang
doctors hindi nagtrabaho doon kasi mag-aral pa siya ng 2 years.
Mag-aaral. Oo. Mag-aaral
Kailangan
ka
pala.
ulit. Yun ang hindi,
So ngayon na may K-12 na.
okay na sana
Oo,
yan.
okay
Sana
na yan.
hindi na nila tatanggalin.
Ibalik naman po.
Pero sabi
Ah,
nila,
ibalik na?
ibabalik
Dito.
na naman.
Ibalik naman po origin.
Finish?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
gonna make more?
No.
Sure?
Fruits eh?
That's why I thought you wore a dress today for.
Darling, my dress doesn't have extra. Look.
Bullshit.
Okay naman na, maluwag na sa'yo eh.
Luko-luko kasi yan eh. Magloko-loko din naman
Kasi
ako.
kahit maipasok mo pa, parang dito banda, hindi na.
Alam mo kagabi, so we went to Lucky Plaza ha. So
Thank you.
we already eating all day in outside when we go out. Then we come back, we went to Lucky
Hindi na ako
Plaza, we eat sa ayam pinyit. Ayam pinyit.
Sour
Thank you,
siya.
Winnie.
Uy, sour. Nag-bite
Sour ayaw niya.
Plum.
What is it?
Plum.
Plum.
Sour daw.
Sour. Not sour.
Yung sa atin,
It's sweet.
no, darling, it's not ripe yet. I know it.
Isn't it?
It's not ripe.
Well, it's hard.
Yeah, it's not ripe. That's why
No,
it's
forget it.
sour.
It's hard.
That's why it's sour.
Ganyan naman dito.
Because plum in New Zealand is very nice.
Huh?
Because this one need to be softer. But mind you, this is export. You see that it's not from Singapore.
Kasi yung iba gusto ganyan eh, crunchy. Tayo lang naman Pilipino.
Ikaw friend,
mahilig sa-
you like sour. Come on, eat. Tama siya.
Sour?
Sour.
Sour. It's bitter.
Bitter.
Bitter and sour.
The taste,
Salt.
It's yuck.
No,
like a tar, not sweet.
in New Zealand,
Bitter.
this one
Not right.
need to be softer, soft before you
Very
can
hot.
eat.
Yeah, not right.
Before you can eat.
No, it's not right. It's
You
not.
know why? Because
It's
we
not
keep
yet
it in a
ripe.
cool store.
And then
Keep
Keep
it in
in
the
the
fridge.
took from the tree, not right.
Yeah, oh my God.
No.
I'll just
They put it in a cool store in the fridge
cold.
to make it last.
Malayo ba yung,
That should have been taken
New
out like
Zealand
3
sa
days
Czech
ago.
Republic?
Then it would ripen.
Wala.
Malayo?
Tsaka dito sa Europe naman yun. Yung nasa Australia.
Apply na
sa
ako
baba.
ng New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Naansa.
Pahanap nga ako iyab kay. Pahanap ako iyab.
Dapat hanapan mo yan, single eh, walang
What are you
anak
like
eh.
that for? What are you looking at me like that for?
Magpahanap daw kami ng syota sa'yo na kagaya mo.
May isa siyang supervisor. Tapos, di ba, Maribik, my friend. So, every time he come back to New Zealand, aalis kami, magmi-meeting siya. Sabi niya, darling, he's $500. You go shopping. I'll meet you later. So, I go shopping with $500. No? Then he come out after 2 hours meeting. And then I give him back the chains. Now, no more chains. I'm like, is it no chains? So I have a friend, Maribik. So every time we go as well, I don't want to leave Maribik behind. I asked him, darling, do you have another friend? And so happened that he got a friend, Neil. Watch on, he's a Scottish. And they married. They have 1 child.
Oh, really?
Maribik, you know Maribik.